Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley Expanded. First, understand that this is a massive fan-made modification, adding hundreds of hours of new content. You will need the base Stardew Valley game and several prerequisite mods, like Smappy, Content Patcher, and Farm Type Manager, to get started. The installation process involves downloading these files and carefully placing them into your game's mods folder. It's a straightforward process that opens up a whole new world of farming adventures. Once installed, your journey begins. Start by exploring the newly added areas around Pelican Town and beyond. There are 27 new non-player characters to meet, each with unique stories and quests. Focus on your initial farm, growing crops and foraging for wild goods to build up your gold reserves. Completing early quests from these new characters will not only introduce you to the expanded lore, but also provide valuable rewards to kickstart your progress. As you progress into the mid-game, you will discover even more exciting content. The mod introduces new farm types, allowing you to specialize your agricultural endeavors. Look out for dozens of new crops, fish, and recipes that expand your culinary and farming options. Dive deeper into the expanded storyline, experiencing new character events and uncovering hidden secrets. Don't forget to explore the challenging new dungeons and combat areas for rare and powerful loot. For the advanced player, Stardew Valley Expanded offers extensive endgame content. Master advanced farming techniques, optimizing your farm layout for maximum efficiency and profit. Pursue all new relationships, completing every character's unique story arc and unlocking special events. Challenge yourself by conquering the most difficult expanded mines and dungeons, facing formidable foes. Finally, strive to collect all the unique items and achievements added by this incredible modification, truly mastering your expanded valley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.